Bitch, I'ma show up. If you thinking that I might be basic, you is so off. They're saying that I'm eating, but it's really about to go up. Hard to move in silence when you dipping, just don't show off. Acting proud but no call, guess I'm just a show up. Don't waste my time, I'ma need it back. Go ahead, count what's mine, please just read it back. Told my bro, promise we'll be fine. Always keep a stat, looking at my life, shipping right. Let's just keep it black, keep it that. Competition think they got a step, but they just creeping back. Paragraph my phone, I'm way too busy, I ain't reading that. Told her she don't need to worry, I'm the go, just leave it that. It's clear that she believing that I'm ballin', tell him read the stats. Big hits, I need a few more, why you bitchin'? Got no time for that shit, I tell him 2 more, I'ma show off when I tell out the lot. Roof off the two though, going hard with the whole game. We steady flexing, now the crew soar. They talk about the A, I'm in the 0045. I'm just doing what it takes to keep the family dream alive. If I eat then no one agree, making sure we hit some strides. I'ma show off, they hate it, I can see it in their eyes. I'ma show off. If you thinking that I might be basic, you is so off. They're saying that I'm eating, but it's really about to go off. Hard to move in silence when you dipping, just don't show off. Acting proud but no call, guess I'm just a show off. Don't waste my time, I'ma need it back. Go ahead, count what's mine, please just read it back. Told my bro, promise we'll be fine. Always keep a stat, looking at my life, shipping right. Let's just keep it that. I'ma go off, just got out of prison, now I'm back. Out of serving time, I was really serving pies. I retired from the tribe and I ain't seen it. I could rap it, now the money stacking higher than it ever in the past. Why the people showing love the same ones talking shit before? They just never saw the vision, now they asking about the tour. They think I'm giving tickets, then I think they really tripping. Ever since I got a love, I swear that they been wanting more. Girl been hitting on my line all of the time, I swear they find it. Just been asking how I'm doing, say I'll never be alright. And she keep telling me those lies, I think I let her waste my time. But I'ma keep on showing off until the day that I will die. Bitch, I'ma show off. If you thinking that I might be basic, you is so off. They're saying that I'm eating, but it's really about to go off. Hard to move in silence when you dipping, just don't show off. Acting proud but no call, guess I'm just a show off. Don't waste my time, I'ma need it back. Go ahead, count what's mine, please just read it back. Told my bro, promise we'll be fine. Always keep a stat, looking at my life, shipping right. Let's just keep it that.
You act like you know me, but you don't, so don't ask about the old me. Cause he gone and I need you to hold me, but you won't, so don't act like you know me. Cause you don't. We all got secrets, I know how we go. Can't get my demons to leave me alone. Never need nobody, I'm good on my own. Yeah, it's hard to find love when you can't trust the soul. Down, you can't trust the soul. Put the pills down, start to feel like I'm out of control. Yeah, I start to feel alone, feel like everybody knows, but nobody's saying shit to me, I just need a code, bro. But when it's all said and done, no, I'm not the only one. I feel like they the only one. And I've been praying for somebody, but nobody ever comes. Pray for me, cause I feel like all I ever do is run. So maybe I'm lost, no one to call, but I still stand tall, and then I free fall. You act like you know me, but you don't, so don't ask about the old me. Cause he gone and I need you to hold me, but you won't, so don't act like you know me. Cause you don't. We all got secrets, I know how we go.
Don't underestimate me. Underestimate me.